gosh, hi guys, it's KraftyKat101, and guess what? It's 2018. It's 2018. 2018. Ow. So, oh well, I made a mess, but sorry, I'm tired, you know? That was a lot of tumbling, man. So here's some 5 ways to not be stressed. Okay, kiddos, first tip I have for you is to get more sleep. Because trust me, I'm so cranky when I go to school, and I'm just exhausted. And I know, like, I'm a night owl, okay? Many of you are probably night owls too. But go to sleep earlier, do things earlier, you won't regret it, come on. And then, that leads me into don't procrastinate. Come on. Like, I can't even tell you this because I am such a big procrastinator, okay? But, like, do your stuff earlier. You don't want to end up like that. You don't want to be stressed. See, be a good noodle. Do your stuff early. Just like when you get home, put your phone away, put distractions away, and just get to work. You can take breaks, but don't do everything last minute. You're gonna regret it so badly. Trust me, I always do. Okay, next, you should definitely keep your space clean, keep your room clean. And you know, you don't have to like, okay, I always used to do this thing where I would just accumulate mess for a long period of time and then clean it all in one day, and then I'd have to spend the whole day on it. You don't have to do that. Look, you can just hang your clothes every day, vacuum like once a week, twice a week, whenever, put your stuff away. Just don't leave things lying out, okay? See, look, it doesn't take that long either. Like, I would always have to spend days just cleaning, but with this, you just spend 5 minutes every day, and then you remain clean, and it's like a more peaceful environment, you know? I hate being surrounded by mess. Oh my gosh. You see, now I'm nice and neat. Now, you gotta be more organized, children. I have my little planner here. Last year I didn't have a planner. I kept forgetting things. It was not a good time. But see, I write in this planner. You might be able to see my colorful writing. Maybe not. But yeah, definitely keep a planner or just put stuff on your phone. But like, if you need to remember something, write it down. You're not gonna remember it. Trust me. And last thing is self-care, man. Treat yourself. Here, I'm gonna light a candle. Sorry, my hands are kind of gonna shake because I didn't want to set my house on fire. And yeah, so it's not gonna light the first time. But that's okay. You can literally do anything for self-care. You can go for a run if you like running. You can read a book. You can exercise. You can sleep. Take a bath. Basically, do anything that's gonna make you happy. Hey, so I hope you all enjoyed that little video, and hope it wasn't too awkward. If you like this, don't forget to squish, tap, or smash that like button. You want to see more, you can subscribe. I mean, I'll try to post more, but I don't make any promises. But maybe subscribe. But anyways, see you all later. Bye. You've been blessed.